Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have the Nothing Phone 1, and I'm going to do a little camera test. This is in 4K at 30 frames. How does everything look? How does it sound? And let's see how good or how bad these cameras are. Again, it's running Android 13. Now, it's been out for a while, so hopefully any problems they had with cameras before, they was able to fix it. You know, with some software updates. Because a lot of companies come out with not the greatest software when it comes to the cameras. At first, a lot of people do updates and upgrades. But if you watch videos on YouTube, a lot of people did complain about the cameras, so. But what I'm seeing on the phone, it looks pretty good. I don't know, once you get into the computer, does it look good? The colors on the screen look pretty accurate. Slow pan of the Texas sky. Yes, it is a beautiful day here. It's about 50 or 60 degrees. I think it's like 60 some degrees, so feels really good, and it's sunny. And it's dry, look. Horrible. But hopefully we get some rain soon. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60, and we can try that out and see how it looks, and you know, how's the mics doing too. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 60 frames per second. I'm just walking around, actually on the bottom of the pond / lake. I mean, this thing's about to be dried up. That's what it looks like. Look at the water. I literally should be underwater right now, but I'm not. Look, it's pretty bad, y'all. It's kind of scary. Hopefully we get some rain soon. Lots of rain. We need enough rain to flood places, but not people's houses though. But just flood like these ponds and stuff. So maybe a couple of days of rain that would not flood houses, but flood out like these ponds and lakes. But what y'all think about these cameras? I'm enjoying the phone, believe it or not. It works really good on T-Mobile right now, and I'm not having any issues with it, any connectivity issues or anything like that. Look at baby girl. But what y'all think about the cameras? Again, a lot of people talked about the cameras being the weak point, and this mud or sand is pretty soft. But I think the cameras, by what I'm seeing on the phone, looks pretty good. But I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 1080p at 30 frames per second on the Nothing Phone. What y'all thought about the 4K video? Also the 1080p at 60. How does everything look? How does that sound? Yes, it is a beautiful day in Texas again. But I don't know. Did they improve these cameras in the last 5 months since this phone has been out? Again, remember I paid $299, which is the same price as a Pixel 6a too though. I'm not gonna get close to the bird there. Might attack me. But what y'all think about the mic so far? How does everything look? Besides being dead and dry. I think everything looks good so far. I can't wait till you get onto the camera or into the computer and actually take a look at it. Then you can really see how everything looks and sounds. But how's the stabilization too? Because again, I'm just holding the phone, walking around. Hopefully y'all like these type of videos. Try to bring value to everyone. You know, if y'all plan to get it, like I always say, do your homework before you purchase anything. And yes, right now we are Android 13 beta tester, so yeah. But I will be coming back with some photos and also the front facing video. And until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on the Nothing phone. Yes, this is in 1080p at 30 frames. Again, how did I look? How did I sound? Yes, the sun is right in my eyes, so definitely hard to see. But check out baby girl back there, too. Look at her. But what y'all thought about this whole video? What y'all thought about the photos? What y'all thought about the 4K video? I probably will come back and do some nighttime video and photos also, just to see what this phone can do at nighttime. But you pay $299 for it. Can it compete with the Pixel 6a? As far as the camera department goes. That's what we want to find out. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. Stay tuned for the nighttime video and photos. Until then, peace. Later. Okay, everyone, so this is the nighttime part of the video. This is in 4K at 30. What do y'all think about the daytime video and photos? I think that came out pretty good. I want to put it against maybe the Pixel 7 just to see how it does against another phone. But for me, doesn't look too bad. 10 times zoom there. Look at Walmart. Go back out. All the way back to 1 times. But what y'all thought about it? How? I think the stabilization on here looks pretty good too. Not sure about the nighttime video. I know the front video, or at least the front photos during nighttime, if you don't use the flash, they look like trash. So I can show y'all that too. Y'all will see some nighttime photos with the flash and then without it. But I'm just walking around the parking lot. There's people at the gym over there. There's people at the gym, and then I don't know what is going on in that building over there either. That building's usually empty. But they're having a party or something. Who knows? Who cares? I'm going to come back with the photos and then also the front-facing video. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so let's wrap up this video. This is the front-facing camera on the Nothing Phone 1. What y'all thought about this whole video? Are the cameras trash, or are they pretty decent? I think at nighttime they could be a lot better, but not too bad. I wish the front cameras did 4K at 30 at least, but I don't know. I might put, like I said earlier, I might put this against the Pixel 7 just to see how it does and how does it hold up. But so far, I think the cameras look good. I mean, the colors look good on here and everything else, but y'all let me know in the comments. Let's have a friendly discussion. Remember, I paid $299 for this phone, not the $499 or $5 something. I don't know. I think it's actually pretty good. I'm enjoying the phone. Like I said earlier too, I am enjoying the phone. It is been quite a surprise. And not too bad either. I want to make sure I fall. But y'all let me know. Again, let me know what other videos you want to see. Y'all let me know if you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Nothing Phone 1. Until next time, peace. I'm out. You have a great day.